Hey Jewels, so as per your request, because I put out a poll and asked you guys if you like to see me relock my hair on camera, and you guys, most of you guys voted yes. So I'm going to be relocking my hair today on camera, so stay tuned. So firstly, what I go in with a spray. I spritz my hair, to make it moisturized. So inside this I have water and tea tree oil with a little bit of rose water. So just going to spray this part because this is where I want to start from. Going with conditioner. This is a ring. And then this is the milk. I'm not ready to do it. Comb section out the hair. Again, a section of parts. I'm not doing it. Just trying to straighten the line. So I'm going to be using crochet pin, regular crochet pin that you know. Take my pin. So I went and I did this first row on camera, off camera. So when you want to relock the hair, you twist it, then you go from left to right, or rather right to left. You twist again, you go from front to back, you close the latch of the crochet hook. Draw it. Then the last place that you're going to do is the place you want the hair to fall to. So I want the hair to fall like this. So I'm going to go from left to right. Remove any hair that wants to get into the crochet. So you hook the hair, the tip of the hair with the crochet, you close the latch. And then you draw. Okay, so I made a mistake. From left to right, take the tip of the hair, hook it on the crochet hook, you close the latch. Can you see this little thing here? You close it and draw it down. So there it is. You have relocked it to the position you want it to fall to. Now to do the last one on that row. So remember I said you twist, go from right to left, take the tip of the hair, hook it, close the latch of your crochet hook, then you draw the hair out. Then you go from front to back, take the tip, close the latch, see, close the latch, and you draw it out. So remember, the last part you do, you are doing it 3 times, and the last part you do is the direction you want the hair to fall to. So you hook it on the crochet pin. Then you close the latch and you draw it. My hair slipped out. From left to right, hook your hair, close the latch and draw it out. So we're done with this first row. And also this part as well. Remember, you twist. This time I didn't go from the right to left because this hair is very thick and I don't think it's going to pass through 3 times. But let's see. Let me see. Exactly. I said this wasn't going to pass through 3 times, so see. So I want to lose it. I can't lose it because I've already locked it in. So you just have to stay like that. But next time when you touch the root of the hair and you see that it cannot go 3 times, you just do it from front to back, and then to the the last one you do will be to the direction you want the hair to fall. So the hair was supposed to fall like this, so I should have done it from left to right, but you know, I was trying it if it will go 3 times and it from right to left, so that's why it's flying like this, not falling to the direction I want it to fall to. I hope you get. Watching this video, watching me relock my hair, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.